Oh boy, this next story will make you think twice, I think, about going to the dentist. A man in Wisconsin is talking about a freak accident while getting a filling that ended up sending him to the hospital.
A heads up here, the video is a little graphic, but the man is totally okay. Tom Jozsi says he suddenly coughed just as the dentist was in the middle of drilling into his tooth, and a sudden intake of breath caused him to swallow the drill bit. And the 1-inch long piece of metal ended up inside his lung. Oof. It ended up getting deep into his lung. Doctors had to use a special tool that is usually used in cancer detection, but was small and thin enough to get this job done. Jozsi says it's a good thing too, considering the potential alternative outcome.
What happens if he can't get it out? And really, the answer was part of my lung was going to have to get removed. And I was never so happy in my life when I opened my eyes and I saw him with a smile under that mask, shaking a little plastic container that had the tool in it.
A big old smile. Doctors let Jozsi keep the drill bit, which he keeps on a shelf at home as a reminder not to cough during dental procedures. You know, there are a lot of people who have fears about going to the dentist. I don't think we just help them.
Look, if you're going to drill, just knock me out.
Exactly.
Just knock me out.
Right.
Let's eliminate the possibility.
Wake me up when it's over.
Oh, I hear you.